Hi Sagittarius, today I'm going to do general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys, then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances, then we will see love messages. So Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. So recent past, present, future. Your present energy, the Empress under the deck, the Fool. So right now you are on your power. You're very honest. You're setting and maintaining boundaries here, and you don't want to settle for less in any area of your life. And if you're doing job in certain company, you don't want to settle for less. You are doing consistent hard work, but you are not getting enough recognition. Definitely, you want to walk away from there because you're putting so much hard work. And under the deck, the Fool, definitely you are having a lot of options or opportunities for you. So you need to explore your options. At the same time, you need to explore yourself in different ways. The Fool is all about opportunities. So be in a receiving mode, Sagittarius. So recent past, eight of swords with seven of swords. In recent past, you were stuck. At the same time, some people broke your trust. Seven of swords. So you were stuck and you felt sad, but you tried to come out of this energy, but you didn't. And maybe you had some problems in your career and finances in recent past. And present, two of wands with ace of cups. Right now you have options. You need to make a decision, but you are thinking here. Before taking any decision, think twice, because decision making will be the key at end of the day. And ace of cups means new beginning, new opportunity. Right now you are eventually focusing on self love. You're putting yourself first. You're feeling peace. You are the first priority now, and you are in the process of making some decision. Future, judgment with 10 of swords. See, in future you will get more clarity regarding your career or relationships, especially money and career. And 10 of swords is all about new beginning, new opportunities, especially new beginning. Maybe right now you are suffering, but in near future you will find a new way, you will find a new career. Okay, but every ending has a new beginning, so don't think negative, think positive. Positive things will come to you. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Nine of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, under the deck, Five of Swords. So Nine of Cups means wish fulfillment card, and Ten of Pentacles means financial stability. So right now maybe you're suffering, but near future is very very promising. Your major wish is going to be granted, and Ten of Pentacles means definitely financial stability. Your family situation will be okay, and don't dig your past. If you dig your past, it will hurt you. And don't juggle. Try to balance your personal life and professional life. Try to balance your feelings and emotions. But near future is very very promising. I'm seeing financial stability and family security here. So let's see love messages. So your person current thoughts, your current thoughts, your person present energy and your present energy. Under the deck, two of pentacles, definitely a lot of juggling energy between both of you. You both are juggling here. And your person present energy is knight of swords, which means they are thinking about communication to reach out to you. And their current thoughts, the moon, queen of cups and the fool, definitely they want to have a new beginning. They have very very strong emotions towards you. They're hiding their feelings, but the moon is all about uh, overthinking, but they want to communicate. They're overthinking. They have strong emotions, but juggling energies here. This is, you both are juggling, not only one person. And your present energy is seven of wands. You are in your energy, like you are focusing on yourself. You are in a defensive mode. You don't want to settle for less. And your current thoughts, page of swords, ten of swords and the sun. Page of swords means spying energy. You're spying on your person right now. You are going through something emotionally, okay, but you are coming out of that. Regarding this relationship, recently both had some issues. They dumped you, or they backstabbed on you, or they ghosted you, but now you are coming out of that. You are now depending on you for your own happiness because the sun card. Some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, and some of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, water sign, and some of you are dealing with Leo, fire sign. So let's see. Your person next action. The Hermit, Temperance, Eight of Wands, and Four of Swords. So your person next action is, even though they're trying to control their feelings, they're thinking about communication here. So let's clarify the Hermit. Some of you are dealing with Virgo, H sign, Sagittarius, fire sign, Libra. So see, they are juggling between want to communicate and don't want to communicate. So they're juggling. So they really want to communicate, but at the same time, they're holding their self back. But some of you are going to receive communication from them. Some of you, it will take time because they are juggling. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Four of Wands, Knight of Wands, Death, and Five of Pentacles. Definitely, I'm seeing some transformation in this relationship because you both think about reconciliation and you both have a lot of passion here. And some of you are dealing with Scorpio water sign. So let's clarify. Nine of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and Empress. Under the deck, Wheel of Fortune, which means you both are very very independent. You both are totally focusing on yourself, focusing on your passions, eventually feeling very very attracted to you. You both are waiting for divine timing here. I think you both are comfortable in this silence. Yes. But I'm seeing some upgrade here, like energetically I'm seeing a lot of upgrade. Maybe physically right now, maybe you both will not see, but eventually. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Hanged Man. So lots of you Sagittarius right now you're feeling stuck. You need to come out of this energy. You need to focus only on present. And some of you want to walk away from something that doesn't serve you anymore. It could be the thing, situation, or your person. So let's see another message. See again the same message. Eight of Cups. You are thinking about walking away. At the same time, not able to walking away. So juggling. You're juggling because Two of Pentacles is here. You need to balance your feelings and emotions. You need to balance your professional life and personal life. Maybe right now you're going through something in your personal life, but you need to be balanced. Patience. Okay. That is only going to save you. Don't overthink. Don't stuck. Try to come out of this stuck energy as soon as possible. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. And if anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box, so you can reach out to me. Readings are chargeable. And thank you so much.